Hello everyone.
Where's $50?
We don't have $50 coin. Okay, so we have a penny, nickel, dime, quarter, and $1 and a dollar. Sorry, we have penny, nickel, dime, quarter, dollar. And what does these represent? Okay, means how many dollar or how many cents they represent. So a penny represent 1 cent. A penny represent 1 cent.
And a nickel represents 5 cents. And a dime represents 10 cents. And a quarter represents 25 cents. And the $50 represents 50 cents. And a dollar represents 100 cents.
Yes. So these are cents, and cents, when we convert cents into dollar, 100 cents equals to $1.
$1.
50 cents equals to $half. 0.50. 25 cents equal to $0.25. 10 cents equal to 0.10 dollar.
10.
5 cents equals to $0.05 dollar. And once
penny is $0.01
dollar. Okay, so now we are going to use this code. Okay, for this coin, means we are doing a coding decoding activity next. In that we will use the codes dime, nickel, penny, quarter, $50 and dollar. Okay, these will be the codes for your next activity.
Alright.
Okay, so now let's start the activity. Let me keep it here. Suppose we are keeping this side, this corner. So see the size of all the coins. Okay, if we go from the bigger size, okay, now if we go from bigger size, which is the bigger size coin here? Dollar. Then
Quarter.
Then what comes?
Nickel.
Then
Penny, and then dime.
now we see, we did just now what we did from bigger. Wait. Just now what we did from bigger to smaller. Now we will go from smaller to bigger. Okay, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest?
Dime.
Then
Penny.
Then
Nickel, quarter, and then dollar.
very good. Now let's start our activity. Okay, I have given you this. Oops. How many coins we have here? Here we have 3 coins.
Yeah.
And what are those 3 coins?
It's like a rectangle.
No. What are their names? What are these coins? Are those
Dimes.
Very good. Those are dimes. So total, how many cents you have? If those are all 3 dimes, then total how many cents you have? Write it.
17. There is
17 cents. 17 cents. Now listen. This is 1 cent, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 penny, 2 penny, 3 penny, 4 penny, 5 penny. Okay? Means 5 cents. These are 5 cents and this is also 5 cents. So instead of putting all these 5 coins here, we can put just 1 cent, 1 nickel here. Okay? In the same way, okay, let's move it out. Okay, so we replaced these 1 cent coin with a 1 5 cent coin, that is nickel. We replaced 5 penny with 1 nickel. We replaced 5 pennies with 1 nickel. Okay. In the same way, we will replace these 5 pennies with 1 nickel. So here you go. Okay. And again, in this row, what we are going? We will take these off 5 coins and we'll put only 1 coin. Okay. The value of these 5 coin is 5 cent. And the value of this one alone coin is 5 cent. Okay, so we are replacing all that. Okay, so this is again 5, 5, 5. Okay, and now this is 1 dime. 1 dime is 10 cents. Okay, so this is 5 cent and this is 5 cent. So what we did, we have taken these 2 coins which equals 10 cents to a 1 coin whose value is 10 cents. Okay, so now we got all. So this is also 10 plus 5 equal to 15. 15 plus 1 and 2, 17. We got the answer 17.
$854.
It is even or odd?
Even, because of the 4.
Okay. Number?
139.
It is even or odd? Yeah, right, odd. O, only O.
Only O.
Yes.
890.
It's even or odd?
Even. Because this 0 makes an even. Because it's for 10.
Okay. Either for 10 or either for nothing. 0.
Yeah.
It's even or odd? There, right here, E or O. Okay, so hope you like these activities. Please do these activities with your child in a fun learning way. And hope you like this video.
Goodbye.
Yeah. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe for more such good learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Goodbye.